Hi everyone. This video is for anyone who needs support getting into a Google Meet meeting. I realize that some people are working with Mrs. Diggins and other teachers to get logged in, so I'm going to show you how to do that right now. Once you've got your browser up and ready to go, you're going to type in calendar.google.com and then you can press enter or go. So you're going to see the page pop up for your student to enter their information in to log in. It's the same information that you're going to use for Schoology. So I'm just going to use one of my students' login information to type in here so that you can see what their calendar looks like. All right. After you type in your student ID, don't forget you need the @student.upperdarby sd.org, and then you can click next. All right, so you're going to enter in the password 08 and click next again. Okay, so once you're logged in, you're going to see a page that looks something like this. Now, you have a choice on how you can view the meetings that are scheduled for you. You can either look at them a week at a time. So I'm going to go to the top right and click that drop down where it says month and choose week instead so you can see how that looks. Okay, or you can choose to view the whole month at one time. That's what I prefer to do. So I'm going to go back to where it says month, same spot. All right, so if you look at this current week, I'm pointing to it with the mouse, there were meetings scheduled for this student as early as this past Monday. The titles tell you that there's a meeting there, and notice there's also times to go along with the meetings. That's the start time. What I'm going to do next is show you how to actually get into the meeting. So I'm going to click the meeting that was scheduled for today at 10 a.m. The name of the meeting was called Reading Group 1. Notice the start time was 10 o'clock. It's also got an end time, 10:30. Okay, so to get into the meeting, you can do it a few different ways. Let me show you one way first. The first way is to click on Join Hangout to Meet. I'm pointing to where the link is right here. I'm just going to click on that link. After you click the link, you're going to see a page that looks something like this. So your camera and your microphone are automatically going to be turned on. I just turned mine off because I already have a camera going for this how-to video. Once you're on this page, the next thing you're going to do is click Join Now. Okay, and that's going to get you into your meeting. So I'm going to exit out of this and show you another way to get into your scheduled meetings. So let me close this. I'm going to go right back to the calendar. I'm going to go to the same exact meeting that we were just in, but I'm going to do it a different way. I'm going to talk you through it. So your other option is to join meetings by phone. So what you would have to do is dial the number that I'm pointing to. It's going to be underneath the link Join by Phone. And then once you dial that number, the person on the phone is going to ask you for the PIN. The PIN is also indicated right here next to the phone number. Please be sure that you type in the pound sign after you've put in the PIN number. Once you do that, you'll be able to enter into your meeting by phone. All right, so if you have any questions or need support with this, I will be here to support you. Just wanted to give you a how-to because sometimes just typing the directions out isn't enough. I hope that this is helpful. Please be in touch if you need my support. Thank you.